Hi everyone, it's Roland at Getting It Done North of 7. Well, guess what? I finally came up with a channel name for the new YouTube channel. But first, let me thank you guys for everybody that commented below in this video, everybody that gave me encouragement and came up with some pretty cool channel name suggestions. And I really appreciated all the input. I'm on the video here where I announced that there's going to be a new YouTube channel, and we had our bit of a contest and to help me pick a name. The prize was a shout out and plus a subscribe from the new channel that's coming out. It's out there now. And also, I'm going to watch one of your playlists in its entirety. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to show you who was the closest. I didn't choose the exact name that was chosen or suggested, but I chose part of it. And here it was right here. The channel is called Will It Grow? And that is John. And he put great idea, Roland. I like it. And I could use those tips. Well, you know what? There's a lot of people that could use tips on anything to do with YouTube, from images to SEO to etc., right? Heck, there's people out there that are they want to start a YouTube channel and they just don't know where to start. You know, people of all ages. But there's a lot of older people too that just have no clue how to get around. A lot of people have a hard time. So I want to help those people. That's what I enjoy doing. And I was doing these kind of videos anyway and putting them on my Getting It Done North of 7 channel. But it's so different from everything else I'm doing that I thought, you know what? I came up with the idea. I thought, why don't I just create a separate channel where I can just put all these videos. So John, you came up with the name TubeBuddy, which I thought was pretty good. I commented here about it. I liked it. TubeBuddy. And but my son was sitting here with me and we were talking about it, and he goes, what about YouCanTube? So that's what I went with. So I took part of your suggestion, John. I took the TubeBuddy, but I changed it to YouCanTube. And instead of having it YouCanTube, 3 different words, I just wanted one word. So I put YouCanTube all and just smushed it together and made one word. So that's what our new channel is, YouCanTube. And it's going to be about helping people set up right from the beginning. It's going to be like setting up your YouTube channel. There's people out there that have never done it. So I know there's videos out there about all this stuff, but why can't I make videos about it, right? Like if you watch a lot of those videos, those people talk super fast. There's a lot of young bucks out there and they're just talking real fast, and you got to keep rewinding and going back, or you can change the video speed. But a lot of people don't know that you can change the video speed either. So there's another video idea. But yeah, I'll talk at a decent speed because that's how I normally talk. And I'll try to explain everything to a T. Now, I'm not a know-it-all. I don't think I know everything. And I definitely don't. Like, I just know enough to get by. Maybe a little more than enough to get by. But I've done a lot of things over the years and I have a lot of experience. So I want to share what I know, and it'll help a lot of people. So that's why the idea of creating these videos and then creating a channel just to put all these videos came about. So John, you're the winner of this contest. Like I said, you will get a subscription from my new channel. And actually that goes out to anybody. Anybody that subscribes to that channel, you'll get a subscription back to me. Just let me know when you're over at that channel in the comments. I may not recognize your channel name, but I probably will, and I'll just subscribe back to you. Also, John, I'm going to watch one of your playlists to its entirety, so that'll give you lots of watch minutes. And also, a shout out, so we'll do that right now. John at Will It Grow. He just started up just a few months ago. I think when we started Shed Wars. And he has well over 400 subscribers now. And there's a reason for that. because John shares a lot of great information with people about gardening. This guy knows his stuff. And actually, he's pretty funny too. I love a lot of his videos are funny. The Shed Wars videos, like where he gets mad and he kicks a can. I think it was a jug or something, and then he was taking a bat to some fishing bobbers and smacking them, and he couldn't hit it, and it took him like 8 swings before he could hit the bobber. You're just cracking me up, John. It was so funny. But yeah, you're very helpful. You're a very nice guy. You do a lot of shout outs for people. So actually, you really deserve a good shout out. And I think everybody should just go over to his channel. And I'll do like John. I'll point my finger at you. Because that's what he does. He points his finger through the whole video. It's funny as hell. But yeah, go over to John at Will It Grow. So his channel is Will It Grow. Go to John's channel and give him a subscription. You won't regret it. He'll teach you a lot of things about gardening and fishing and things like cooking. It's all good stuff. So I'd like to thank everybody for your comments and your suggestions and your encouragement. I really appreciate it. And I hope you all come over to the new channel. And I hope I can help you with anything that you have trouble with. I'll cut it short there. Go over to that channel, You Can Tube. I'll leave a link below how to get to it. Or I'll leave one up here in the card. And come on over. Give me a subscription. Let me know that you're there. I'll come back and subscribe to you. Give you a subscription. And if you just happen to be watching this video and you're not subscribed to this channel, Getting It Done North of 7, well, I don't know what to say. You should be subscribed. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button below, and then go over to the other account, You Can Tube, and subscribe over there too. I'd love to have you at both channels. And everybody, I appreciate each and every one of you. All your support. You watch my videos, you like, you comment. I appreciate everybody. Any time that you give me, I appreciate. And I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. So again, thanks, and we'll see you on the next video.